I'm now in the dashboard of Coembed, and here below videos, I can either select existing hot viral videos to use that are trending, Coembed gives me all of that which I can use right away, or I can just add my own videos in, so there's full flexibility for whatever you want to do. So I'll just go ahead and add my own video in. So all I have to do right here is just get the YouTube URL, and just for the sake of demonstration purposes, I'll use this weight loss as an example. For the video, I'll just use this weight loss keynote body example where I can then customize any settings to my liking accordingly. Here I can add any of these powerful call to actions to my video. So if for instance I want to add a text animation to show up in my video, I just put in what I want to be shown here. I've already entered all the info in before for the sake of saving time. So you would just enter in what you want to be displayed, and then I can then set when I want it to show up and the duration of it, and then I'm done. Pretty dang simple, right? And then the same applies for when adding an incline image to the video. So when I play this, as you can see, it shows up the annotation, and then it shows up the image at the times I've set. And if I was to click on either one, it will then redirect me to the link I set in the settings. So this could be your affiliate link for a particular product you're trying to promote, where if someone buys through that, you then get the commissions for that. So you can also add pop-up images that interrupts any part of the video to grab attention of the viewer and engage them. I've already set the image and link redirect here. So if I go ahead and now play this, as you can see, the pop-up will stop 6 seconds in, and then it will resume my video 5 seconds later. You can also add social sharing buttons to the video to make it automatically go viral and get more viewers than you would have never have before. I simply enter in the time here and the duration I want for it to show in the video, select the platforms I want this shared on, and boom, I'm done. As you can see, the software is fully responsive, and any changes I make on the left, it'll automatically refresh and show a preview of how these changes will look on the video. Now what's even cool, you can build a list of subscribers by being able to add opt-in forms within your video. We're connected with all the major autoresponders out there, such as Aweber, MailChimp, SendLane, ActiveCampaign, and there's just so much more we're adding, along with new updates with the software. So like before, you simply import what exactly you want the opt-in to pause the video and show up at. So for demonstration purposes, I'll just put this as 3 seconds, and then you can then enter in a headline, description, and I'll just connect this up with a list I have in Aweber, which is all synced in. So now when I play the video, it's going to interrupt the video by showing an opt-in form within 3 seconds, basically at the 3-second mark, where I can then start building leads of all the people viewing the video without them having to go onto a website and opt in. I mean, how powerful is that? Now, another powerful feature to Coembed is that you can add pre-roll and mid-roll videos to your video. So for example, if I wanted to add a pre-roll video, which is basically like YouTube ads, I'm sure you've seen this before, when you go to see a YouTube video, but then you see an ad video played before the video you wanted to see, that's what a pre-roll video is. You can have a different video play before the actual one starts. And the same applies to a mid-roll video, except that you can set the time when it appears throughout the video. You can then start sharing this video out, embed this onto your page. You can either take the share link and start posting it, or you can copy and paste this embed code into your page, whichever size you want the video to show up as. There's just full flexibility